Every day, millions of people slice open a pineapple, enjoy the juicy fruit, and toss the peel straight into the trash. Truth is, that rough spiky peel is actually more powerful than the fruit itself. Believe it or not, this part could boost your immune system, reduce inflammation naturally, help your digestion, and even make a delicious health-boosting drink. Let's get to it right here on Essential Cures. What's really inside pineapple peels? Well, most people think peel is inedible, tough, bitter, and useless. But science says otherwise. Pineapple peels are packed with bioactive compounds, substances that actively benefit your body. What's inside include bromelain, a digestive enzyme that breaks down protein, dietary fiber, which helps your gut stay healthy, antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage, and vitamin C and minerals, boosts immunity and overall wellness. Let's talk about bromelain, the digestive superhero. Bromelain is unique to pineapple and is highly concentrated in the core and peel. And the benefits? Speeds up protein digestion and reduces bloating, reduces inflammation and helps joints and recovery, and also supports faster healing. Imagine your stomach is a busy factory. Bromelain acts like extra workers, helping break down food efficiently. Throwing away the peel is like firing your best employees before the job is done. On to gut and detox. Your gut is like a garden, and the right bacteria are the plants you want to grow. Pineapple peels help by providing fiber and keeps your digestion system moving, also supplying probiotic compounds and feed good gut bacteria. This isn't a magical detox. Your liver and kidneys already detoxify your body naturally. But pineapple peel supports this system, helping your body work more efficiently. Boosts your immunity. Pineapple peel contains vitamin C and antioxidants. This helps strengthen your immune system, protect cells from damage, and fight free radicals. Antioxidants are like tiny bodyguards for your cells. They neutralize free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can accelerate aging and disease. Now, how to use pineapple peels? You can use it in pineapple peel tea. Just wash it thoroughly, boil for 10 to 15 minutes, and add ginger, lemon, or honey. You can also use it in fermented drinks or tepache. Just add peels to water with sugar and leave for 2 to 3 days at room temperature. You can also add spices, that is cinnamon or cloves. This is optional. And finally, this produces a naturally fizzy probiotic-rich drink, perfect as a gut-friendly soda alternative. And finally, culinary uses. This is where you add peels to soups or broths, also used to infuse water or smoothies. Just like vegetable scraps can flavor stock, pineapple peels add subtle sweetness and nutrients to your cooking. Now here are the safety tips. Before using the peels, you want to wash thoroughly and remove dirt and pesticides. Also choose organic if possible, and never use spoiled or moldy peels. Your safety comes first. Even healthy foods can make you sick if handled improperly. Sometimes the most vulnerable things in life are the ones we overlook. I already have an idea how to use my next pineapple peels. How about you? Share with me on the comments below. I am very interested. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, share with a friend who throws away pineapple peels, and subscribe for more simple science-backed health tips. Wish you the best and see you on the next.